The following video is an AMADA HFT 5020S CNC hydraulic press brake. Chris is going to run a brief video demonstration for us today.
All right, well, first thing when you get it, you gotta make sure all your e-stops are off. There's 3 in front. The door in the back needs to be closed before you can turn on the hydraulics. Once the hydraulics is on, hit the start button. It won't let you hit the start button if the curtain is out of alignment. Then you have to home the machine by hitting the start key. Then you must hit the open pedal. Once that's done, then you must just close. And right now, it'll readjust and rehold itself. And when that is done, now we can actually run a program. Run a program here. Setup program. Let's see. Speed of 39. And 1 cycle. At this point, I can actually run the close, run down the hydraulic. I won't go all the way because we don't have a die in it. Turn that back up. And that's pretty much it.
Again, the following video is a AMADA HFT 5020S CNC hydraulic press brake.